Whether it's in your home or in the garage, at the office or at your child's school, walls experience varying levels of abuse and impact. Baseball bats, kids' toys, and other hard objects have finally met their match. To test a product's ability to withstand abuse and impact, the American Society for Testing Materials developed ASTM C1629. This method is used to determine a gypsum board's ability to withstand increased levels of abrasion and impact, and is composed of 4 separate tests. Let's take a look at one of these. ASTM D4977 tests a gypsum board's ability to resist scratches and scuffs. The panel is subjected to 50 back and forth cycles with a weighted wire brush. 25 pounds is added to the brush, and after the 50 cycles, the depth of the abrasion is measured. We tested 2 types of 5/8" board, standard 5/8" gypsum board and National Gypsum High Abuse XP. As you can see, the core of the standard 5/8" gypsum board is compromised. The depth of the abrasions exceeds the allowable limit, and the product does not qualify for this standard. Let's see how National Gypsum's High Abuse XP performs. The High Abuse XP product is able to withstand the abrasion from the wire brush. The paper facing is still in place, and the gypsum core is unaffected. The High Abuse XP performs at the top of the scale and achieves a level 3, the highest possible rating. While an impact-resistant product is not recommended for abrasion resistance, National Gypsum's High Impact XP also achieves the highest possible rating of a level 3. Both the High Abuse XP and High Impact XP, which are easy to identify by their original color purple, have achieved Green Guard Indoor Air Quality and Green Guard Children and Schools certification. Understanding the ASTM testing methods, the appropriate product for your application, as well as the features and benefits of that product, will ensure that you have selected the most effective solution for areas that experience increased surface abrasion and impact.